Friends, welcome to GPSTR CTT ಚಾನಲ್. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ TT 2020 ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಐ ಹವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಐ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ 6 to 7 ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ the 10th term of arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11. So first term is 3, second term is 7, so difference is 4. Up to 10th term you have to find. We know that formula T10 is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 3, n is 10, d is 4. So on solving we'll get a value. This 10th term is 39. The number of a chosen at a random numbers minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. The probability that a is less than 3. So probability is total number of possible outcomes divided by sample space. So sample space is nothing but how many digits they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values they are given. That is sample space. The total number of possible outcomes which are less than 3. So which are less than 3 means excluding this 3 value, minus 3, minus 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. These 6 terms are there. These are the total number of possible outcomes. So answer is 6 by 7. So answer is option 4, 6 by 7. The formula to calculate the mode for the given data. So its answer is L plus f1 minus f0 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. I will tell what are the value, what are the formula it means. Mode means L plus this value is there na. L means lower limit of the model class. H is size of the class intervals. F1 is frequency of the model class. F0 is frequency of the class preceding. F2 is frequency of the class succeeding. In detail video I will discuss how to find, how to solve this. Okay. The value of 2 tan theta tan 60 divided by 1 plus tan 60 degree. 2 tan 60 means here from this, if you know this table, tan 60 means root 3, 2 into root 3. Sec 60 means for sec 60 what we have to find, 1 divided by cos is sec. So cos 60 we have to find. Cos 60 is here 1 by 2. If you take reciprocal of that 1 by 2 we'll get sec 60. So it is 2. Sec square 60 means 2 square. Here 2 into root 3 is there. On solving we'll get root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is nothing but sine 60 degree. So answer 2. In triangle ABC, triangle B, angle B is given. So cot A is root 3. The value of sine A cos C plus cos A into sine C. You know that sine A cos C plus cos A into sine C is sine A plus C. So sine A is 45, sine C is 45. Because this is a right angle triangle B, 90 degree, it means that remaining angles must be 45 degree each. So it's of the form sine 90. So sine 90 is 1. So answer is 2. Friends, this is from midpoint theorem. Here xy value given, midpoint values they given. This phi coordinates is there. This x value we have to find. This value given. This x2 y2 also given. So xy means x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This x correspond to this value. This y correspond to this value. Here already x value they have given 2. 2 is equal to x plus 1 divided by 2. So we have to after solving we will get x value is 3. So answer is 3. Next question. This is from distance formula. The distance between the points 2, 5 and x minus 7 is 13. Then the positive value of x is, that we have to find. We know that from distance formula, distance means here x1 y1 x2 y2. So it is of the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This distance all they have given already, that is 13. So x minus 2, on simply solving, x minus 2 minus 7 minus 5 whole square. On squaring both sides we'll get 169 is equal to this much value. On solving we'll get x square minus 4x minus 21. So on taking finding roots, we are having minus 3 and plus 7. We have to take that positive value because they asked the positive value. So its answer is plus 7. So it's option A. Friends, the remaining 6 questions are from pedagogy. I will not explain, I will just tell that answers. For 114 its answer is first. For 115 its answer is first. From 116 its also answer is first option only. From 117 its answer is option 2. 118, for 118 its answer is option 4. For 119 its option 2. For 120 its option is option 2. Friends, I have solved all 30 maths questions. In next coming videos I am trying to solve theoretical based I will make I'm trying to solve biology videos which are important to your exams. Please ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ so that I will get motivation. Thank you friends.